Welcome to GearHead Insight, where machines speak and gearheads listen. Today, we're looking at a classic American platform that's been redesigned for modern, nomadic life. The 2026 GMC Savana, reimagined as a full-fledged motorhome truck. While the GMC Savana has been around for decades as a dependable van, the 2026 version takes it to a whole new level, blending durability, power, and comfort for off-grid and on-road adventures. The 2026 Savana doesn't look too different on the outside, but under the hood, everything has changed. It comes equipped with an updated 6.6L V8 gasoline engine, producing over 400 horsepower, giving it more than enough power to handle both highways and rough terrain when upfitted for overlanding. The rear-wheel drive layout is standard, but a WD variants offer better grip for those who want to explore off the beaten path. What makes the 2026 Savana Motorhome special is the custom conversion. Builders turn the basic cargo van shell into a self-sustaining, mobile living space. On the outside, you'll often see roof racks, solar panels, rear ladders, and rugged tires. Inside, it's a full transformation with insulated walls, built-in storage, LED lighting, a compact kitchen, a toilet or wet bath, and sleeping space for 2 to 4 people depending on the layout. One of the biggest advantages of the Savana platform is that it's time-tested. Parts are widely available, and the chassis is known for taking abuse without falling apart. That's why many van lifers and full-time road travelers love this model. It may not have the futuristic style of European camper vans, but it's built like a tank and runs forever with proper care. The 2026 model also integrates modern tech features like lane assist, collision warning, and a new infotainment system that finally feels current. Combined with smart energy solutions like lithium battery banks, shore power connections, and solar charging, this van is ready to be home no matter where you park it. While it's not a 4x4 monster or a tracked survival machine like the Dozer builds we've covered, the GMC Savana has a different kind of charm. It's practical, reliable, and easy to maintain for travelers who want comfort, capability, and simplicity. This is one of the best entry-level motorhome trucks available. At GearHead Insight, we respect every machine with a purpose, and the 2026 GMC Savana proves that you don't need to be extreme to be effective. Sometimes the smartest move is keeping it simple and strong. Take care and subscribe to my YouTube channel.